Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn WordPress theme development tutorial step by step. So hey, this is the theme which I have finalized. So I'm going to use this theme to integrate in the WordPress. So let's start how we are going to integrate this theme. So let's go to my folder. Here we need to create a template, right? And I have created one template. First of all, we have to add all the files of the header. So this is header file. Let me open this full project in let me go to the back. WordPress HTML, open with the application Visual Studio. Okay, I have opened this project. Let's check. This is my flex start theme, which have all the assets, right? And this is my theme, WordPress content themes, DMS. This is the whole theme. Okay, basically you can create a custom theme, or you can just copy the 2013, 2019, 2070 themes exactly, and rename the rename the theme, style sheet folder, and all the description, everything you can rename it. Then automatically it will coming to your theme section. Then you can activate this theme, then do the customization. So I have done the same process. Let's go to the now. The agenda is how to integrate that bootstrap theme, any of the theme, into WordPress. So how we can segregate the things. So let's move on to the header. So here we have the header. uh, like uh, Here we need to go to the like here I'm going to open the index.html. Okay, this is the all index.html from the theme. And here we are going to add the header.php. So here I'm going to add a view word wrap. So let's add the all the css over here. So here I'm going to add the css. Let's go into the assets. I'm going to copy this assets in the content themes, my theme assets. I'm going to paste this with the merge to replace. Okay, so everything is over here. Now we need to go to the style. Let's check the here what we have in the header.php, which styles they are using. Assets, vendor, out.css, link relations, assets. Okay, just copy all these link relations. This is, let's copy this and put it in our header. Where is our header? This is our header that I'm going to add it. This is added. Now we are going to make it dynamic. So we need to add the style sheet. So this is the code for echo php echo directly style sheet. We need to add like this, we know we are going to add this. Okay, here I need to add this, right? Yes, right. Okay, so you're going to add like this all the css, and it's included. Now here we have the section navigation. Let's check the navigation over here. In index there is a header id. Let's header is gonna be common, so we will add all this all header. Then we have this, so I'm going to add this, copy, going to paste in a header section. So this section we're gonna be, so this whole section we don't require it over here. right. That's it. So this section we're going to remove. This section UL. Then we have nav, right? Then we have div row. Then we have section. Okay. So here I'm going to paste my header, right? Full header is ready. After that, we have the section, hero section. I'm going to paste this hero section exactly. Then main ID. This gonna be add exactly here, hero section and all in the template. So this whole section gonna be added like this: section, 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 section. So all these sections is replaced by only this section, which is I have added. Okay, so let's reload the page and check. Header is coming, but the rest of the things is not coming, right? Let's control U this. And which one thing is not loaded perfectly? This is there. We haven't added the footer, right? So let's move and check the footer also. So where we are at the footer, this is footer ID. So let's going to copy this full footer, and with this, and script is not added still, so we are going to add this in the footer.php. Where is footer.php? Here I'm going to add this one section full, and this is also full. Whole JavaScript we don't require it. Added script tag is not required, so I'm going to remove this script tag, right? So everything is added. So let's add the footers style scripts. So where we are, footer, this is the scripts, right? I'm going to add this in footer. So here again we are going to add the theme design. Make this. All the JS file is added, right? This is coming. This all data is coming. Images are not coming. So let's add the that code also. So here I'm going to add this style directly sheet in the, we have the section, right? So let's add the images, image tag. Let's search img tag. Here we are going to add this image source, right? Image. Here we need to add the image source. Find mode. Here the image is there, and here we need to add the image. Then we have the counters. Then we have this assets image. I'm going to add, this is simply a text. Here we need to add the image. Here we don't need image is not there. Here we have the image, right? Here we need to put the image. We have to do all the images like this so that it looks the same as the theme as we have, right? Anything is pending here. Portfolio is pending. It's almost we have added the images, and it should show all the thing. So yeah, this is overall completed. Let's have a look to the website. It has the same look and feel that we have copied from the bootstrap template. Images are there. It's very simple, right? Just copy and all this, and just and after that you need to make all the dynamic things. So you need to be very much careful while doing the all the dynamic things. You have full template, and you can do the dynamic using the ACF custom fields, which we have already mentioned in the previous video. You can use that one and do the stuffs, right? This part is gonna be done. Let's reload this page. See, full-fledged theme is gonna be ready. See, with icons and all, images, plans, frequently asked questions, everything is working fine. This image is coming. Images we are adding. This image is also we are adding. Added, right? So this is how we can do the complete scenario. We have fully add this theme, flex start full with this. So this is how we are integrate the full template into the WordPress, right? So you can now you can make the header dynamic like the menus. Header is footer is already dynamic. Then you need to just add you use the custom fields and just call it over here that it gonna be dynamic. Okay, so this is how you can integrate the theme, any bootstrap theme, into WordPress. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. If you like the video, please like the video, and you have any question, just please write in a comment. I will explain that. Okay, have a great day.